Yeah. So first and foremost, when you passed your demo, right? This is the guideline.
Right.
Yeah. So every time you have a problem with your ETs, always go back to the guidelines.
Right.
Mhm.
I think was it like in the Google Drive, Miss Marie?
Which one?
I was looking like the guidelines you shared to me
How do
before
you keep track of pertinent or important information for
on
class?
your G on the GC
In
most
the
of the time.
GC, you don't keep a file.
Because I rely on the search engine where I can like
As long
search for
as you
it.
have
Like
access to that, because I can give it to you, no problem. It's actually on my screen. But the point of the matter is, I wanted you to be sufficient, right? Example, oh, I have several ETs that did not enroll. What can I do to self assess? You cannot always rely on TM's feedback. You have to be self sufficient in a way that's why you have the one on your system to check your buying rate. It's because for you to be able to adjust your classes timely. It's not when you are in the tracker. It's not when already the TM will check your ETs. And that is like, kumbaga, that's not being proactive, Teacher Hazel. To be proactive means that's why, let's say I have 5 ETs. And then in these 5 ETs, maybe 2 of them did not enroll, but I know I'm good. You are good, Teacher Hazel, correct? Your buying rate used to be very high. So I'd like to find out why they didn't enroll. What could I have adjusted? Check these guidelines.
I am looking at one like ETB1GE1 which has like 4 pages at least in my
Yes,
files right
yeah,
now.
there
It's
are
in a Word
several
document.
files in each
Yes,
in each one. Yeah.
yes, po.
Where
I
is it?
have like 4 pages.
Because
It's here
I'd
on my
like you to be
screen.
sufficient. Kasi
Yes,
I
po.
can
I
give
can
it to
share.
you fine, but then after our meeting, wala na. You don't know how to check your class. You don't know how to help yourself in a timely manner.
This
That's my
one. I
assessment.
understand po.
That's my assessment.
This one,
Yeah,
Miss
that's my
Marie.
assessment. This is actually how I wanted you to assess your class, but there has to be a basis, right? The guideline.
Correct. Yes, po.
I guess you need my help now because you cannot find it.
I mean, this is
That
this
is
not
my
the one?
comments, dear.
I okay.
It's my comments.
Sige po, you go
It's
ahead
my
po.
feedback. But then you remember when I asked you to check the file, kayo ni Teacher Mel, check the guidelines, and then since I needed to provide proof in the tracker, I needed you to like send me a picture of that. You checking the guidelines while you are open camera. You remember that? Or
Yes po, I did
it's
that. And
yeah. So
I
where's the
was
guideline?
looking at it.
Where is the
I was
guideline?
looking at it, but
You're
the one
looking
I
at it
had was just
now.
like GE.
You're looking
Not
at
right
it now.
now.
I
I mean
wanted to
earlier.
know. I wanted to know if you know where to check it. That's I have it on my screen now, Teacher Hazel, but I wanted to know if you can help yourself.
This one po. Okay, let me see if you can. Is this the one you're looking for?
Because I cannot spoon feed you all the time because you will just rely on my feedback.
Understand po. This and then this, right?
Ah,
B
your
or GE.
screen is blank.
Is it?
Ah, it is blank.
So this is where I got it, like the one I sent to you earlier. Is where I got like some guidelines on how to
Yeah,
to
that's the BE.
nail GE.
That's the GE,
Yeah.
correct?
But the
And this
BE,
is,
yeah, the BE, this is just what I have for BE,
yeah,
at least
that's
this
the
one.
one. You got the right file, Teacher Hazel.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
this
how do you
one.
think you can use this file?
Of
When,
course, I have to review, Miss Marie.
yes, exactly. How, I mean, how do you use it?
I'll have to read them again, and execute my takeaways on this one.
You remember when you started, it's like an intensive training for you, and
Right.
you had excellent buying rate. You were in the excellent teachers in consecutive months. How did you do it? Try to do it again.
Sige po.
Yeah.
Fixable
So,
pa naman po. Kaya pa po 'to ba? Ano tawag nito?
kaya mo pa ba?
Um,
What do you mean?
is like, kaya pa? Mairaos pa po ba 'to?
Oh,
Kaya pa po
ma.
'tong ano?
You did it once, not just once, but several times. That was how many months that you were in the high buying rate, teacher Hazel? How did you do it? In fact, I did not try to rock the boat in as much as you have your own style. So when the students love you as you are, so I don't want to impose something that is out of your style. I don't necessarily have to agree on your style, but you were high buying rate for several months. Do you remember? Paano mo ginawa yun? That's what you need to remember.
Magre-review na lang po ako, ano ba nangyari sa'kin. Pero
Uh,
kaya pa naman po 'to, 'di ba? Kasi
of
parang, to be
course,
honest, like,
you've done it.
parang
Well, you've done it many
nahihiya na din po kasi ako,
times.
kasi Miss Mary, nahiya na ako sa'yo, siyempre parang may mga lates pa ako, ta's may nag-tab ako ng isang beses na naman,
Alin, nag.
na-tab pa naman ako this week. Parang ang dami
Ah,
ko ng kasalanan sa'yo. Yeah.
Teacher Hazel, number one, as long as you resolve your issues, I don't have a problem with that. Pagdating
Okay.
sa points, mababawasan ng points mo.
Okay po.
That's one. Kasi every quarter, nagre-renew yon. So I don't
Right.
know if I've given you like your points is 5 or I don't know what. There are times may mga
It's like by quarter, right? Like it
by
refreshes.
quarter, yes, by quarter. But
Yeah.
that is negative feedback. Tumigil na nga yung negative feedback mo. Iba yon, iba ang negative feedback.
Thankfully.
Iba ang
Thankfully.
questionnaire.
Mm.
Pareho, I mean, it's in one umbrella. But buying rate is under one metrics, buying rate. So basically, what I'm trying to teach now is for you to be able to pinpoint the problem in a timely manner. Kasi ang nangyayari sa atin is, let's say, for you to be in the tracker, there are 10 ETs na nag-fail, right? So,
Yeah.
mapupunta ka ngayon dun sa tracker. Actually, it can be more. It's minimum number. Mapupunta ka ngayon sa tracker, tapos i-check ko ngayon, mag-random check ako ng ET mo, and then I give you feedback. We already did that. I gave you feedback.
Yes po.
So, but then it's a random check, meaning to say, there has to be more comprehensive way of checking that and a more timely manner para hindi ka ulit mapupunta sa tracker sa susunod. Kasi ang
Understood. Yeah.
dapat na mangyari
Immediate
is,
action. Yes. Parang ganun.
can I finish? Wag ka masyadong nervyusin. Ang dapat kasi mangyari is, pagkatapos ko i-check, mag-random check ng ET mo, i-discuss natin, right? So pag-discuss natin, dapat yung susunod na, after the coaching, ano na, mako-correct mo na yon, tapos yung mga ETs mo, magiging successful na. Kaso hindi ganun ang nangyari. Okay? So, meaning to say, we have to be more adapt a proactive stance in a way that pag may nag-ET, hindi nag-enroll, check agad. Ano saan ako nagkulang? Self-assessment agad. You get it? Kasi hindi ako nagre-review ng class in a timely manner na pagka may nag-fail ET ka, natulungan na kita to assess eh. You should be able to arrest it pagka may nag-fail ET. Ngayon, kung let's say, hindi mo maintindihan, bakit fail ET ako doon? I check the requirements. Okay na eh. I feel that I did this. Maybe I missed this and that, but in general, I did very well. Yun ang feeling mo. You can ask me to approach the TA and find out. Kasi like yung, may binigay ako sa yung feedback that this student is low level. So the student felt that they probably need a teacher that is bilingual. So English, Chinese. You get it? May mga ganon, low level. Pag low level kasi, you must change your strategy, right, teacher?
Yeah. Yes.
Dapat you break it down for them, tapos you speak slower, tapos yung words mo, simpler.
Yeah, I do naman po. In fact, I do type whatever I say in a like simultaneously while having the class just to get the response and to keep up with them.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
basically, meron akong inassess na isang class mo, right, recently. Do you check that out?
I haven't po.
You haven't. The thing is, that's very important because apart from you self-assessing your class, it's also important that you get feedback from someone that checked your class. So like this one, I gave you a copy, teacher. This one.
The PRTA feedback, right? Yeah, I got it.
Wait. I'm sharing the screen. This one, I usually put it in a notepad, but I copy and paste it and send it to you. Right? So
yeah, I think this is what you sent to
I
me.
sent this to you, remember?
Yeah.
Recently.
I think you said recently, yes.
So the thing is, if I have given you an assessment, you must read it and also assess like saan ako nagkulang, ganon. Kasi I think itong class na to, do you remember this? I gave you this comment. Level 4 is too low for this student. I sent it in your chat box. PM.
Okay.
Or hindi mo nakita?
Nakita ko po yun. And I was like, pero di ko na binago. Babaguhin ko po ba yun?
Hindi na. Hindi mo na mababago yun. It's okay. I mean, for some students that are, let's say, she's a 5 but you gave her a 4 and okay naman sa kanya, hindi naman siya nag-complain, okay lang naman yun. Maybe feeling niya you're her teacher, then she believes you. But then you remember during the coaching
Yeah.
about
Yung
the
mga
level
miss,
5,
ano ko.
about the level
Yeah.
5, pagka nakakaano na sila, they can express in full sentences.
Right.
Yeah,
Yes
tas
po.
yung complete thought naman sila. So, but you gave them you gave her a level 4. So, in this case, kung tinanggap naman niya, okay lang naman. But probably, later on, pag feeling mo sobrang dali na sa kanya yon, you can recommend, let's level up because this one is too easy for you. Let's say nagkamali ka. Nagkamali ka. You're only human, right? So,
Yeah.
you can recommend. What do you think? Shall we challenge you? Do you find this material so easy for you? You want to, let's level up?
Oh.
Pwede
So that's
naman.
really okay if
You're
I
the
say that.
teacher,
Okay, gotcha.
You are the teacher, yes, pa pwede.
Sometimes I do this, but not very often. Yeah, but I do this like,
The thing is, you remember there was a time before, ang taas naman ang bigay mo. Sobrang taas. Tas nag-question si student. So that's why
Yeah.
I said here, review the CEFR.
Yeah.
So you review the CEFR, tapos you review the guidelines for self-assessment, and then
Mhm.
this one is my question. Can you cope with the volume of your classes?
Kaya.
Kaya.
Kakayanin. Kakayanin po.
Kailangan para sa ekonomiya, di ba? Teacher Hazel?
Yes.
But, the thing is, no problem ako dyan. Yung gusto mong kumita, no problem. But the quality has to be there. For GE now, we're having a problem kasi maraming ET classes hindi bumenta. Like your case. Ibig sabihin, more than 10 pero hindi bumili. We have to have a self-assessment. Anong nangyari sa klase ko? Ang ganda-ganda ng buying rate mo before. What happened?
Yes po.
Is it's too much of volume? You must have some a period of time where you assess. Kunwari,
Yes po.
this period, I had 10 ET classes, hindi bumili. Ang gawin mo, Teacher Hazel, for the succeeding week, huwag kang bumongga ng open ng schedule. Have a time to assess these classes. Bakit sila hindi bumili?
Mhm.
And then ask me, at this class, I had a great performance in this class. Can we ask the TA what happened? Kasi may mga classes na mag-feedback ang TA. Ang feeling ni student, teacher wasn't able to help her at all. You remember my class ka na, ET class na yung previous na inassess ko, na yung very short, although low level siya, okay lang naman. Except that, did that student enroll? You remember yung parang
Camille.
short lang yung class mo, pero low
I
level
think it
kasi
was
siya.
Camille.
Ha?
Oh. What's the name of that student?
Yung last na
Camille.
ni-review
Ayan.
natin, kasi parang second or thrice na ba to? Na meeting natin.
I had few of them. There are just like few people who did not enroll, but I have a couple of them who enrolled surprisingly, but I was happy.
Yeah. Actually, wala tayong problem dun sa nag-enroll. Ang problem natin yung
Hindi
more than
nag-enroll.
10 ETs na hindi nag-enroll. We have to find out, we have to assess bakit hindi sila nag-enroll.
Ivy. I don't
Yun
think
yung
Ivy
ina-assess
enrolled.
natin ngayon. Kaya, tinuturuan kita ngayon paano mag-self-assess based on the guidelines.
Mhm.
The thing is, you can follow this naman, right, Teacher Hazel? Help yourself, please, because it's a comprehensive study of your class, but I can only random check it. You see
Okay.
that nakalagay dito, intro. Streamline the intro with just the mention of strength and less, ang dami mong unnecessary na sinabi.
Yes po. Yes po. I'm
Nagsabi
avoiding
ka,
it.
parang
Yeah.
nagsabi ka ng schedule mo. Parang wala namang relevance yun. Ate,
Sa transition lang yun.
wag mo na
That was for
sabihin yung
transition.
schedule mo noon nung nagtatrabaho ka sa call center.
Okay.
Sabihin mo na lang kung how, the strength lang. Piliin mo lang. Di ba?
Yes po.
Wag mo na sabihin, my schedule was like this, graveyard. No need. So, hindi na siya interested doon, right?
Yes po.
Wag na. And then to, sabi mo, I like to read, write, and traveling. Dear, ikaw magtuturo ng grammar. Bakit?
Nag-ing sa last
Travel.
part.
And travel. Yes.
Yes po, binago ko na po to today. At least.
Ganyan. So, you see, student seems anxious to start. Yung, tingnan mo, interested ba siya sa'yo? Dun sa sinasabi mo? Kasi, interested siya pag mag-follow up question siya sa'yo. Yes. But then, pag nag-follow up question siya sa'yo, baka naman may teacher na sobra namang pinakahaba ang warm-up. Hindi na natapos. Yes?
Yes po.
Or kalahati lang ang natapos. It's not about you, it's about the student. Okay? So, lessen your time on intro. It's a bit too long. Yeah?
I did it. I changed it already.
Ano ka medyo napapachika ka. Yeah. Medyo controlin mo yon tapos start of class, eto. Pero nag-start kayo ng 8th, pero wala kang follow-up questions na dapat nasa warm-up.
Okay.
Like you're interested with what your student is talking about. And then if you can add more in the vocab, so you make your class rich, then grammar very good, you explained it in an easy manner. Eto teacher, parang parati kang lutang pag nagbibigay ka ng instruction. May class activity, pagdating sa instruction, medyo kulang sa explanation. Parang nasa shortcut mo. O ito missing nga. Yeah. Tapos ito, mention instruction, activity, clearly missing. Missing siya. Ito yung recording. Andyan yung recording. I gave it to you.
Got it.
Tapos speaking yung incomplete instruction na naman. Parang nagja-jump ka agad dun sa instruction. Kasi for your student to engage, yes, to be effective, kailangan clear instructions. Okay? Actually, babasahin mo na nga lang yan eh. And then pagdating sa role play, you mentioned that you will read the dialogue, but you didn't mention that it's gonna be a role play. Instruction pa rin yan.
Yes po.
Pagdating sa speaking C, yan, well done. Delayed feedback with correction, good. Free talk with follow-up questions. Ito, guidelines na to eh. Ito yung mga hindi mo na-miss. May mga good points naman, but yung comments ko is, like fine-tuning lang.
So perfect.
Yep.
Yeah, to polish.
And then you share tips, idiomatic expressions, discuss evaluation in details, very good. Pag nagbigay ako ng gantong comment, take it with a grain of salt in such a manner that you can fine-tune your class. It's not to criticize you, but to improve you. Okay?
I understand po. I got it.
So ngayon, let's go to share screen. Ito na yung ito na yung evaluation form. Yeah, buong screen ko na yan. Naintindihan mo naman yung objective tsaka subjective, right?
Of course po. Yes po.
What is the purpose of the subjective?
That is to let you, I mean, as a teacher, how to prepare yourself for the class. To prepare yourself for the class.
Yeah, these are the
Okay.
questions that you need to assess yourself with if the student will be buying your class. Ito yung mga questions na if I were the student, would I feel engaged and positive about the teacher's class from the start? Yeah. So, actually, wala ka namang problem sa engagement eh. Ang problem mo yung time management. You get carried away with warm-up, ganyan. Pag ET class, you need to manage your time.
Got it.
And be able to discuss as much and be able to evaluate. Pagdating sa NL, tapos gamay mo na si student, wala namang problem kung chumichika ka na. Yes.
Gotcha.
Yeah, these are the
Yes.
questions you need to ask yourself. Kung if you were the student, nabibigay mo ba to kay student mo? Self-assessment.
Right.
Of course, this
Yes.
is the objective part. Which is pagdating sa BE, hindi ka dapat magpapabasa sa vocab. Kasi i-explain mo yun.
Oh, okay.
Business English.
Except for the part where they asked for to check their pronunciation, right?
Yes. Actually, kasi the a little difference would be sa GE kasi di ba nagpapabasa ka talaga. Sa GE on vocab, nagpapabasa ka talaga. Kasi it's direct correction, correct? The thing is, pag BE kasi, dito hindi mo papabasa kay student yung meaning.
No, this is discussion. More.
Vocab. Yeah, hindi mo
Yeah,
ipapabasa,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, you're right.
Especially
Yes po.
hindi naman lahat ng students kaya mag-BE, right?
Yeah,
Medyo
yeah. Yes po.
kailangan okay na
Mhm.
sila sa daily English bago sila mag business English na to, medyo advanced na to eh. Di ba?
Right. Mhm.
So meaning to say, hindi lang kayo basa-basa dito. So you have to use your own words
Right.
to paraphrase and all that. That's the little difference in the vocab. Okay. So you can check,
Gets
try
naman
to
po.
review.
Mhm.
Try to review. If
Yes,
you
yes.
have questions, ask me. Pagdating sa
Right.
GE, yun lang, like try to remember when you passed your demo, how can
Yes po.
you enrich your class by having these components in each section, right?
Mhm.
Of course, if the student is low level, you cannot finish all, correct? But you
Mhm.
need to be able to evaluate at the end,
Mhm.
right?
Okay.
Yon. So, review, pek ka lang dyan.
Sige po.
Assessment na ganyan. Yun lang. Do you have questions?
Tatry ko po. I'll do what I can, and then if kaya pa,
Kaya pa ba?
iraraos ko po siya kung kaya pa. Yes.
Teacher Hazel,
Pero,
kung nagawa mo before, why cannot you do it again?
yeah,
I
I'll
know
do my
you
best.
went through some personal matters with your
Yeah.
dad and your ex. You move forward.
Yeah.
Try to move forward. Baka naman,
Yes po.
pagka in between classes, nag-iiyak ka dyan or nagde-depress ka
Hindi
dyan.
naman po. Wala naman. Joke lang.
Tingnan mo.
Hindi naman.
Yeah.
Hindi po. Hindi, okay lang.
Sayang yung galing
Kakayanin
mo.
po.
Sayang yung galing mo kung, you know, ano nangyari. Although, hindi naman super bagsak ang buying rate mo. As you said, it's 16? Tama ba? 16 ba?
Yes. Oo.
Hindi naman super
May
bagsak eh.
pumasok na ano.
Hindi naman siya zero. May iba bumabagsak ng zero. Wala talaga. Sa'yo hindi bumagsak ng
Na-surprise
zero.
nga ako eh. May 6 na pumasok, Char. May naano pa. May 6. Yun nga, natalo nga lang dun sa hindi nag-enroll. Mm-mm.
The number. Mm.
Number
Kasi the
game.
thing, what you can do is, if ever, kasi I think ito nangyari nung peak ba to? Yung
Yeah.
period mo,
More like.
Feb,
Very much po.
Feb. Ano nangyari? Anong period
No, ano
mo?
to eh. March, April, May, June, July. Ay, ano, yun ba yun?
No,
July?
I mean,
June,
itong
July?
low buying rate
May.
mo. Yung low buying rate
Nito
mo.
lang. Last month tsaka this month po.
Teka. Check natin. May period akong binigay, di ba?
Meron.
Mm.
Ano yun? March to April. March,
Hindi,
no. June
July
to
lang
something.
yun. Hazel, July 21 to August 4.
July. Ayan, ito.
This one.
Okay.
I also gave you a copy. Pagka nag-send ako ng message, hindi ako nag-chat, wala akong time mag-chat. Pero, ang time ko is to give you details, lahat ng mga teachers. I give you details. So, it means if I sent you something, it's important.
Mhm.
So, you have to check.
Kaya
July
Yes po.
21 to August 4. 12 ETs. So, ito yung buying rate mo, 17.
Gotcha.
You see
Dami.
that there are teachers natin mo yan. Oh.
Talagang
to?
wala, no?
Hindi siya naka-percentage
Okay
kasi.
na eh.
Hindi siya naka-percentage.
Okay. That's
See,
right.
it's not dapa naman. It's not so bad. You can do, ilan yung buying rate mo before?
Pumatak
Nasa
yung 47, I think.
Nasa top 10 ka eh. Buying rate?
47 yun. Sige po, try ko po. Iyan ko po yung sarili ko.
When you began, teacher, umalis ka na dito sa tracker na to, ha? Tulungan mo yung sarili mo. Kasi madami rin kayo. Marami din kayo. So, I have to distribute my time.
Sige po.
Okay?
Sige po, sige po.
So, if you have
Salamat po,
questions, feel free to ask me. And then, please,
Okay po.
bigyan mo ng time yung quality. Yes.
Yes
Pagka
po.
sa tingin mo hindi nag-e-enroll yung mga students mo at kailangan mo mag-assess, pwede mong bawasan yung schedule mo to 8, but inform me.
Miss Mer, mababalik na po ba tayo sa 8 hours or na 9 pa din tayo?
Ay, tapos na tayo. Pero the thing
8
is,
hours na ba?
8 hours na, pero you are part of yung 12 hours, you remember?
Oo.
Mm-mm. So, ikaw, como ganito yung buying rate mo, bawasan mo muna so that you
Sige po.
can give time to
Sige
analyze,
po.
keep up
Sure.
the quality. Just inform me na this
Sige
period,
po.
8 hours ka muna. But feel
Mhm.
free to add pagka naka-recover ka na.
Sure.
Okay?
Sige po.
Questions?
Sige po, Miss Mary. None so far po. That's
Okay.
all.
So keep those
Sige po.
files on your
I will.
folder para easy
Mhm.
reach. Have a
Mhm.
good weekend.
Sure. You too, Miss Mary. Take
Ciao.
care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.